Alright, here's how to install the FlatSix Graphics starter button decal. Take your alcohol prep pad, open it, and clean your button real good. Make sure there's no oils or grease on there. Alright, let it dry for a minute, for a few seconds. It's pretty hot out today. I'm going to take the button. I'm going to use my pocket knife as a kind of a holder. I'm going to peel it off like that. And I just use this as a holder because it's easier to see. Get my fingers out of the way. And then you're going to line it up, you know, nice and straight. And stick it right in the center. Knife out of the way, and then work from the center out. That'll help it curve around the button without getting any creases in it. And there you go. That's it. Easy as that.